Ciao ragazzi, come state? Spero che stiate bene. Sono qua a Toronto. No, not Taranto, which was a town in Puglia I was really close to. Went to the beach there, it was beautiful. I am in Toronto, Canada. Also beautiful, but for different reasons. Prima di tutto devo dire grazie a italki who is sponsoring this video. It's very fitting because I'm going to share with you guys a peek into this new chapter of our lives in which I am not leaving Italy behind in spirit or in mind. But let me rewind to getting here. So we were in Italy, went back to America, say hey to family, get our stuff. We drove from the US to Canada. Canada, here we come.
Here we go.
With Kiro, of course. Our lease had officially started, but we hadn't gotten our work permits yet. So we couldn't bring all of our stuff with us. So we had about a week of really light living. A folding card table and camping chairs, and this was our week. So about a week later, our paperwork came through and my parents came with a big old van full of our stuff and we moved in officially. Now that I'm feeling a bit more settled here in Toronto, I'm ready to buckle right back in to the Italian learning. I mean, truth be told, I never really stopped. Per continuare il mio apprendimento di italiano ci sono parecchie cose posso fare. I'm rewatching for like the third time this show on Netflix. It's really fun. Guida astrologica per cuori infranti. Astrological guide for broken hearts. It's cute, it's entertaining, it's keeping my Italian skills sharp.
Adesso vado.
Sbrigati.
Sbrigati! Of course, that's pretty passive, and a more active way of Italian learning that I've done and I've talked with you about on previous videos is italki lessons. I give myself a time and a space to make mistakes. So I've hired this tutor through the website italki.
Mi raccomando, taglia le parti dove sbaglio. Okay?
Then I was like, I should reach out to italki and see if we can do some kind of a collaboration or partnership because I legitimately use this service and really enjoy learning Italian this way. Sto scherzando perché in realtà sono molto emozionata di rivederti e anche di parlare con te di nuovo.
Vedo che il tuo italiano è migliorato moltissimo.
Davvero?
Sì, mi sembra di sì, mi sembra che...
Grazie, spero di sì. All right, so here's the deal with italki. It offers one-on-one language lessons in over 150 countries. Yes, this goes far beyond Italy and Italian. The teachers on the site are certified with proven experience. And it's really cool to me that anywhere in the world you are, you can find a teacher also basically anywhere in the world, and there can be this exchange of language, dialect, culture. And with my kind of crazy life, which you guys know about, I'm also really big on flexibility. So that's the other nice thing about italki. You can study at your own pace without having to worry about like a fixed class schedule or fixed fees. And you can also practice your language skills for free with the italki community and also receive feedback from native speakers and teachers. And you can ask questions about the language you're learning. It's like a mutual assistance language learning community. Sempre ogni giorno provo a migliorare il mio italiano perché è molto importante per me anche se sono in Canada. So you can sign up for italki for free via the link in the description box below. Level up your 2022 language learning with italki. Some other ways that I am keeping up my Italian away from Italy: reading and rereading and rereading. My favorite go-to, at least at the moment, is essays by my favorite Italian writer, Natalia Ginzburg. Se non avete mai letto Inverno in Abruzzo, il mio saggio preferito. I'm also including a link to that below in Italian and English because it's so good, you guys, just read it. I speak Italian to Kiro quasi sempre perché è italiano. Questo cane goffo è la cosa migliore del mondo. E a volte con Connor. Ci sei?
Sì, siamo pronti?
Andiamo! And in terms of Italian food, which was, come on, a huge highlight of living in Italy, I've learned that there are really incredible Italian food options here in Toronto, thanks to the massive Italian immigrant population here. Meno male. So these are the ways that I'm keeping Italy a part of my daily life. And, you know, honestly, it's helping me explore my new city too. How do you keep a beloved place close to you when you're far away from it? I mean, for me, language, food, like literature, these are the things that I'm drawn to. Ah, and music, of course. Metto un po' di musica leggera perché non voglio di niente. Anzi, leggerissima. Grazie per aver guardato questo video e grazie come sempre al Quirky Club, la mia comunità di Patreon. Vi voglio bene, alla prossima. Ciao!